This one channel posted 16 videos, 16, and picked up 14,000 subscribers off it, with every single upload landing hundreds of thousands of views. But here's the part that actually matters. The format they're using isn't new, isn't hard, and doesn't need your face on camera. It's called explainer content, and one video in this style has pulled over 14 million views. At a rough $4 RPM, that's about $50,000 from one upload. You're about to see the exact system behind it. Idea, script, visuals, voice, thumbnail, edit. Zero investment, free tools only. Before the system, look at the proof. One channel does tech breakdowns, 19 videos, 124,000 subscribers. Another does guns and weapons. Another does esports. Another does nothing but animals. Business explainers, even Marvel lore explained frame by frame. Different niches, same format, same result. Therefore, the pattern isn't the topic, it's the machine underneath it. So let's build one, start to finish. Open the prompt doc. The idea generation prompt's already written for you. Paste it into chatgpt and hit enter. It spits out video ideas across dozens of niches in seconds. Don't like the batch? Ask for more. It regenerates instantly. Say that every camera explained idea catches your eye. That's not one video, that's a whole photography channel. Every lens explained, every image format explained. Same system stacked into a content calendar. For this build, the angle is food and drinks, specifically every country's tea explained. Therefore, the reasoning, a similar video already exists in YouTube with solid views, which confirms the audience interest before a single frame gets shot. Idea is locked, but an idea without a script is just a notes app. Here's where it turns into something you can actually record. Same document, different prompt. Copy the script generation one, paste it in, drop your idea into the field, and hit enter. Full explainer script done. Need it longer? Ask it to expand. That's the entire step. No outlining from scratch, no staring at a blank page. Now the script needs visuals, and this is the part most beginners rush, and it shows. Go line by line. Script says Chinese tea, you search Chinese tea, download the match. Pull from YouTube for reference clips or Pexels for free stock footage and images. Every line gets its own folder of matching assets before editing starts, therefore nothing gets improvised mid-edit later. For voice, 11 Labs or Google AI Studio both work. Pick a middle-aged male voice with a storytelling pace. And this part matters. Don't copy the voice everyone else in the niche uses. Pick your own. But that one choice is what stops your channel from sounding like a carbon copy of the next explainer account. This is the step nobody explains properly, and it's the one that actually separates a video that gets clicked from one that doesn't. In these videos, the thumbnail doubles as the intro visual. No design software needed. Same document, thumbnail prompt, paste into chatgpt. It asks two things: how many items you're covering and what they're called in order. 10 countries, T plus every country name typed straight from the script. Hit enter, thumbnails built. Sometimes it throws in a random kettle or plate you didn't ask for. Just tell it to remove anything extra and press enter again. Done. Want the vector style look popular explainer channels use? One extra prompt line does that too. Export it, fit it to 16:9, and it's ready for editing. Thumbnails locked, scripts locked, visuals are sitting in folders. Now the part that actually turns this into a finished upload. Premiere Pro, CapCut, doesn't matter which one, the process is identical either way. New sequence, one folder per topic, so every country's assets sit exactly where you need them. VoiceOver goes on the timeline first. White background layer stretched to match its full length. Import the thumbnail, drop it in the frame, and animate it with a zoom transform. 2 frames in, set the starting keyframe, 20 frames forward, scale and reposition so the current topic centers itself on screen. Add your first image, scale it to the voiceover's pacing. Video clip instead, strip the audio, crop out what you don't need, and if the pacing feels slow, bump the speed percentage until it matches the read. Text goes on last. Type it, then swap the color to black, drop the font to a bold, easy read style, and sit it right under the image. Therefore, every single asset just repeats down the timeline in the same order: image, text, next image, next text, following the voiceover line for line. Switching countries reuses the same thumbnail layer. Hold Alt, drag a copy to the next section, delete the old keyframes, move what's left to the start. 10 frames forward, reposition so the new country slides to center. Repeat that same move for every topic left in the script. One background music track underneath, volume pulled down to around -15 to -20. It's not there to be noticed, it's there so silence doesn't feel like dead air. So that's the full system. Idea, script, visuals, voice, thumbnail, edit. All built on tools that cost nothing. But the channels making $50,000 off one upload didn't figure this out by guessing. They ran this exact loop again and again until the algorithm started rewarding it.